Katie from Beauty in the Boutique with my style tip today, and this one involves sarongs. Do you have a sarong at the back of your wardrobe that perhaps you're not wearing every day? Probably, because who wears a sarong every day? But I've got a tip to show you how you can make your sarongs work for your everyday outfits such as a jeans and t-shirt. So I want you to get your sarongs out. The brighter colour the better. I want you to hold it from the tip, pull it down like so to make this shape, and then you're going to wear it to add interest to any plain t-shirt. Just by ruching it like so, you've just made your sarong into a nice decorative piece for a plain tee. I'm going to show you another tip. Go to a barbecue, grab your sarongs, unwrap it. Perhaps it's a little bit chilly in the evening at the barbecue. Get your sarong, put it around your shoulders, and there you have a nice little cover up. Keep your shoulders warm in the cold. And then obviously if you want to wear it as a sarong, put your bikini on, put your swimsuit on, give a little tie and rock it. Hope that inspires, and I'll see you soon. Bye!